Today I'm making easy elastic thread bracelets. For the first one, I am taking small colorful and white beads. And elastic thread according to your wrist size. Now start inserting beads. I am adding white bead followed by a colorful bead, and the sequence continues. Next, tie a knot and your bracelet is ready. So cute! Now let's make the second one. For this, we need colorful alphabet beads and small white beads. And elastic thread. This time I am inserting a needle in elastic thread to make beads easily enter the thread. Start by putting a white bead. Choose the word you want to put. Now I'm putting alphabet by alphabet with white bead between each of them. After putting your word, continue inserting white beads. Now remove the needle and tie the thread. Now cut excess thread. Your bracelet is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down which tutorial you want next.